Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum Matic, Cardano, Solana, SHIB, Avalanche in that order. Um, usually I start off on the Bitcoin chart, guys, but this chart we talked about Cardano. This was 7 days ago. Okay, when I made my last video. Well, not my last video. I skipped a couple days, guys, and I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, education purpose only. But I just want to give you an example of when I talked about breaking this trend on Cardano and making this move to the upside. I just want to give you guys a quick example of that. And then we're going to go through Bitcoin and some other targets that we talked about. 822. Oh no, 822 was the low. I can't make this up right here. What do we have as our 821? I mean, come on, guys. We're doing this. And we called that low at 77, guys. And 78 right here. So we got our rejection. We got our move to the upside. I'm looking for more continuation based on this, what I'm just looking at right now. But we were talking about breaking the trend and getting a big move to the upside. A nice trade, guys. We talk about when we break these trends right here, these tend to move. So I would look for my first target coming in at that 88 to, let's see, what do we have? I think we have some kind of to 93. But there could be a little fight in this 91. Which we got rejected there and then popped it. Clear this 93 and then get above this 50, flip that. And then my real target would be up here at this $1.01 area. $1.01 to $1.03. And then we got higher, of course, at the 110. To the downside. All right, look, guys. This is the type of things we do. And look what happened with Cardano. Look what we did. Exactly what I predicted. That video was from 7 days ago, guys. We broke the trend, okay? Broke the trend, bounced off my, look, 821 still there. I still have my fibs. If you scroll over, you see my fibs right here. We talked about fighting this area right here, this 92 to 91. Look, we got up in that area, got rejected, came back down to 86, got a bounce, came up, got rejected at my 93, guys. Look at this. At my 93. I had all this down 7 days ago. That's why it's very important, guys, to sub, hit the bell, hit the all. This is a new channel. And, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, education purpose only. But these are the type of trades we do on this channel. And, guys, it's incredible how we call these perfect. I do these days in advance. Guys, there's no excuse on why you guys cannot be making money in this market when you're getting these. I have crystal balls as my thumbnails. I mean, what was my thumbnail? What was it? Let's go to my thumbnail from 7 days ago on this video. Oh, it's right here. Hey guys, crystal ball, guys. Look at this. Sorry, I got that thing going. But look at the crystal balls, guys. 7 days ago. Okay, so these are the type of things that we're doing on my channel, guys. And look at this. Not only did we break the 93, which I talked about breaking this trend would be a good move. 101, we ripped right through that and got to my higher targets right up here to the 110. And I still think, we're still going to reach that 123 here. But currently, what I wanted to see was this 107 acting as support. And that's, I'm sorry, the $0.7 acting as support. And that's exactly what we got here. Boom. Look at that. I'm sorry, $7. Look at that. Boom. Acting as support. We're getting that perfect. And now we're getting a little bit of, let's see if we can clear that 110 and get some above there. This is my area now that I would be looking to trade in if we get above this 110. And guys, and I know I'm starting on Cardano first, but I just wanted to give you guys just a marker on what we do on my channel here, okay? How this works. Don't give up. Look at the areas. And what you would have made, actually, if you would have took the trend, because we talked about it. First of all, we talked about this bottom. Actually, I had the 78.5. As long as it held above there, I would look for more upside. That was a 52% move. But say you said, okay, I said, wait for the trend, right? Wait for confirmation, a bounce off this 82, okay, which we got perfect. If you would have just took that trade, all right, in my video, boom, that's a 45% move, guys. Come on. Like, what do we, and I know some people say, well, I have trouble executing the trade. Guys, look, this is, each candle represents a day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You had 8 days. You could adjust. I mean, look at this. I mean, even if you said, "Oh man, I missed Moondog's bottom one day." Oh well, he said on the retest 2, 3. Wait for the retest. Boom, 4. That gives you 4 days to wait for the retest for confirmation. Okay, I mean, guys, there's no excuse. Okay. Now I didn't do a video since we got my rejection in this area right around here, which I talked about taking profit. Now, I did take profit, but then I did make trades, but I just forgot that, guys. I fell asleep on the couch after I did the Dogecoin video the other night, and then last night I always try to wait for the daily candle, 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. Eastern time. I always try to wait for the daily candle, and I ate dinner and I fell asleep again on the couch. And the time I woke up, it was really late, and I said, you know what? I'm just going to go to sleep, and I do apologize for that, guys. But we had these targets on Coinbase well in advance. So what I did here was on my take profit here, then you could see my little area where I waited for the break. And I wish I would have made this video, guys, for you guys, because look, boom, boom. So I took my profit. Look, boom. Or I took my profit. Then look, right when it broke my trend, bang up to the upside again. Trend, break to the upside. Bigger trend, bang to the upside. Look, same trend here, bang to the upside. I mean, this is easy trading, guys. Look at this. Trend to the upside. Then look, see this orange line? Trend to the downside. We broke it. Okay? So we have all these nice little trend trading that we do here. But this is not what I wanted to show you guys. This is not what I wanted to show you. Okay? I want to show you something bigger, something more exciting, right? This is an ugly chart. We got lines everywhere. We got alarms set everywhere. We're just waiting. But look, the good thing is we got our support at the 42 at my fib at the 42 600 area. Okay. Now we've been talking about this area forever, breaking this area. You can see my green line, the 45 830. If we do that on a higher turn time frame, it's on, guys. But here's something that's very interesting. Okay. And I noticed this on Ethereum. I'm really liking the Ethereum chart, guys. Sorry. I'm going to go to the 5-day. Okay. 5-day chart, guys. All right. And I know it's ugly because there's lines because we did a bunch of trading in between there, right? The 5-day chart right here. Okay. What can we see if we zoom out? If we really zoom out, what do we see? We see this. What do we got, guys? If you guys watch my channel and sub, hit the bell, hit the all. You guys know this is a double bottom. Now, I take the target from here to here. We're always conservative. But you know what it lines up with, guys? It lines up exactly with the target that we've been talking about for how many, a month now? Over a month? It lines up perfect with my target for over a month. And we have an ascending triangle. I know it looks ugly here, but you can see boom and then boom right here. I'm still waiting to break this area on a higher term time frame. It hasn't happened. Let's go to the daily. Look at the daily real quick. You can see we got rejected up in my zone. Now, I actually didn't have this 45. Let me just get rid of that. I put that at the high because I was the high. I wanted to see, where I could see some points for you guys. But this is not what I had for the high right here. So we can just get rid of that. I just put that up there. My box area was my rejection zone. Anywhere from this 44 600 to this 45 800. This was the area I've been talking about for rejection, right? Or if we can get a higher term time frame closing above here, we could go higher in the move and get a huge move to the upside. Right now on the daily, it's looking good. I like it. Things are getting a little bit high, but we got some bullish. We got some, let's see. Yeah, we got some bullish divergence. Nothing too strong though, actually. Is that green? No, it's no. Well, it's 3 drive. Let's see if that holds up. The MACD will continue to cross to the upside as long as we're above 42 857. We're coming out. We're getting a little bit high on my zones here. Stochastic, what is that doing? It's still looking okay. Momentum is moving to the upside. I do like that, guys. So could we be fighting this range? Yes. Would I like to see a higher term time frame? Yes. But what I do like is this 5-day. Okay. The 5-day. We got of course the W setting up. But on the indicators, what do we have on the indicators, guys? We have well, no, wait, hold on. Was it the weekly? Wait, I think it was the weekly. Yes, it was the weekly. We got some bullish divergence right here. We got our indicators crossing. We got momentum coming to the upside. Things are looking really good on the weekly chart, guys. I'm really liking this weekly chart. All we got to do is break out of my pattern on the 5-day. Boom, boom, boom. We could do that. We're off and popping. If we get rejected, then let's just hold this trend. Okay. Let's see. What did I have? I did something here. I know we've been on this for about 10 minutes now. We're not going to do Cardano. Wait, this is short-term trading we were doing. Was it daily? Let's see. Was it a daily chart? Okay. So what I did here was I took the fib from the low to the high. Oh, and this added up big time. So I had this in this area, okay? So I was looking at this area right here, 42,275, okay? Could we come back down and test that area? Sure, I'm not seeing it right now, but yes, it could happen. And then go. That is definitely a possibility. We got to just watch this range. If we break this range on a higher term time frame, 45,830, I'm telling you guys, get your popcorn ready because this thing's about to explode. Okay. And like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. But we're going to move on to Ethereum. And I want to show you something on Ethereum. Okay, guys. Ethereum, this is looking absolutely fabulous. Okay. Marvelous, whatever people want to say, a good word for something, right? Look at this. So we had our little W here, little double bottom to get started in this trend that we broke. Okay. Then we met that target. Look at this. Boom, met the target. Okay. So forget that. It's over with, right? Nah, we don't care about that no more, right? What do we have? What do we have that's better? Well, let's go to the 5-day. Let's go to the 5-day. What do we got, guys? Look at this. How does this? Beautiful. Beautiful setup. Same type of setup. Where are we at? Where's my draw? Okay, here we go. What do we got? We got the W pattern right here. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. And look at this. We already hit one of my targets there at the 32 mark that we already had on my chart, guys. And look where we're at now. Okay. I am absolutely, look at this. This was the top of the move, guys. Look at this. This was the top of the trend. Boom. That 49.48. And we broke that. Okay. We broke that. Now, if you go to the daily, what am I looking for? Well, we're above the 50-day moving average. We held it as support. We talked about that being big time. Big time, right? Big time. That's what we wanted to see. All right. Now, we get above this area here, this 32.84 area on a higher term time frame. What I'll be looking at is this 200-day. It could come down a little bit, but currently right now it's sitting at 34.90. Okay. So anywhere from this 34 to 34.90 area, I'll draw this up right here for you guys. Boom, boom, boom. 34. I mean, that wasn't exact because I don't have the magnet on. We'll try to bring it down just a little bit. Right there. In this area right here, we break this on top of this. And then, yes, we will hit that 38. There's no doubt in my mind. And potentially go higher, guys. I actually think if we hit the 38, that it's just going to be a minor pullback, something like this. Not minor, maybe a $400 pullback. And then boom, to the upside. This is shaping up to be absolutely awesome. Could there be pullbacks along the way? Yes, guys, yes. Yes, yes, yes. If you ask me, yes. Can there be a pullback, a rejection here, or something like this, where you go higher up and we break a new high and come back and boom, boom? Yes, there could be pullbacks along the way, guys. But we're setting up for this nice move here. And then we get up in this move, and now we're in this trading range right here, guys. Okay, all of a sudden we're in this range trading. Okay, on the higher range. Okay, we can get in this middle range, move level, stare to stare, guys. Stare to stare. We're at 15 minutes. Loving this chart. Can we go higher? Yes. Daily, love it. Like I said, things are a little bit high. Could we see a pullback soon? A little bit? Yeah, we could see a little pullback soon. Okay, but I'm not expecting much. I would see maybe we break one more little high here, but it depends, guys. If Bitcoin rips through here, then yes, this will keep going. But if we do see a rejection, I would look for this area actually right here to hold up, this 2985. I'd like to see that area hold, or even this 2942 area. Actually, why do I have that 20? Okay, yeah, I see. Actually like that a little bit better. 2922 to this area right here. Boom. 30 or 3047. I want to see that area hold up to the downside. To the upside, this thing just probably is going to just keep going. Matic, guys, look at this. Boom, boom, boom. 7 days ago, predicted this. Boom, coming out of this. We talked about this area being our potential rejection. Talked about the 50-day getting 2 candles closing above it, and we got it. It's holding as support. Guys, how can I do this? Look at this. We talked about this rejection point twice. We made these trades. Boom, rejection here, 51. Boom, came back down. Bounced off by 149, which 1419 to the decimal. And then I talked about rejection here. A pop. Love this candle. Boom. Upside. 2-day candle above this 50-day, which we're currently getting. Now, let's see if that holds. I don't want to see a daily candle closing. I don't care if it wicks it, guys. It can wick it like this and pop back up and close above it. I just want to see this candle closing above the 50-day. If we can do that, more continuation to the upside, get a higher term time frame above this 164, and let's test this 170 area. Okay. To the downside, let's just see if this 155 to 153 holds up. And no, like I said, I don't want to see a daily candle closing underneath that 50-day. Cardano, we're skipping because we already talked about that one. Solana, guys, where's my video? I can't even do it. I don't have enough time. We talked about this 106 area being a big, major area of concern for me, being rejected. We got rejected there. Finally, we talked about this being our buy area down here. Guys, we nailed this perfect. Up here, rejected once, came back in my buy box, bounced off my 84, boom, up to my 106. You can watch that video from 7 days ago, guys, and watch how I talked about this 106 area. This is all I had. This is everything I had. So everything we talked about, nailed it perfect. What I want to see is 95 hold up, and I want to see us get a daily candle closing, 2 daily candles. I want to see a daily candle closing above that 106 first and foremost, and then maybe we can work our way up to this 121 area, and that's what I would be looking for Solana. Okay, SHIB Army, SHIB Nation. You guys know what I talked about in my video the other day. Boom, talked about rejection off that 50-day moving average. That's exactly what happened, exactly as I predicted. Okay, bouncing off my trend, saying I want to see this trend hold up. We got the trend holding up. I mean, I don't know what else more I can do, guys. Sub, hit the bell, hit the all. That's what I could say. You guys want free money? I mean, I don't know. How much time we got? We're running out of time. Now we're currently bouncing off my fib. And now I want to go to the upside. I want to clear this 25. Let's see if this trend holds up. If we get some higher time frame under the trend, then we could go to the downside. And I want to see this 23 to 2300 area hold up. Oh no, I'm running out of time. Avalanche, guys, let's just see if this trend holds up. I want to see 81 hold up. And that's it for tonight's video. Much love to you guys, and peace out.